Hi, I wanted to show you something that I think is quite cool not what I'm typing. I'm just fixing up something. Quite cool in R. So I have two data frames in R, and they have some shared information. I want to use that shared information as a key, and I want to combine the two data frames. Now in SQL, we would call that merging. So it's not very surprising that the operation to do that in R is called merge. And I've just read a whole bunch of database files and made a plot and other stuff that maybe you can't see from this. But okay, so that's good. So I've constructed two data frames. I'll look at them. One's called INS, NS is Nova Scotia, and the other is called. Okay, and the second one contains analysis information. The first one, and these are for Argo floats. The first one is just information on the Argo float. And I have a common column in the two called ID cycle. That means the ID of the float, D190, la, 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 underline the cycle. I want to join them by that. How do I do that? Maybe I'll call it M for the merged one. So you just name them INS, comma, overall. And you tell it, and now actually, if there's only one thing in common, R will find it, but I think it's better to say what it is you're trying to do. Okay, so that took like 0 time. And you can see that I've actually have combined the two things. So the analysis info is there along with the other info. So documentation is fairly clear. It's doing an SQL. SQL means standardized query language for databases. It's doing join operations is what it's doing. And you can look at this. You can see it's finding the intersection of the names, etc. It can do tons of stuff. I suggest you learn about it if you think this is useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.